Well, I'll start recording. So today's topic, stock transport order, STO. STO. For this, we need some prerequisites. In case of transferring stock, one plant to other, one storage location to other. So how to do? Before that, we should create one more plant and storage location under same company. So I'll tell you how to do. The way you had created plant and storage location, plant 1, storage location 1. Similarly, you are going to do the same and assign it to the same company code. In fact, that's how we'll have two plants and storage locations. Before that, you can just make a note of few statements about this STO, then we'll proceed. Did Venkat join? Please make a note of it. Transferring stock or stock transport in an enterprise. Stock may be required to transfer from one plant to other, or a storage location to other, or between company codes. Stock transfers are usually done from plant to plant. This is to maintain necessary stock and reduce inventory carrying cost. See, it can so happen if some stock is available as a set inventory in one of the plants, other plant the production department may raise that requisition. In that case, that the stock which is present in some other plant can be simply transferred instead of going for new procurement altogether. That will reduce the inventory carrying cost. You need not have to again pay and purchase new material. So existing material can be transferred among plants and storage locations. That would be helpful. So that is the purpose of having this option. And it also addresses the immediate requirement of the plant with uninterrupted supply of materials. So these are the advantages, of course. You can write down this stock transfer stock transfer between storage locations or plants can be done in one step, or two-step procedures. Two-step procedures. In one-step procedure, in one-step procedure, between storage locations, movement type is 311. I think you have used this, Abhinav, 311.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In
311
two-step
and also
procedure,
as 309.
further you can write in two-step procedure, the material is removed from storage location. Material is removed from storage location using movement type 313, and placed in transit stock. The next step, material from transit stock is received into storage location with movement type 315. So this is with respect to storage locations. Similarly, with respect to plants, single step, it is 301, movement type 301. Two steps, 303, movement type to place in transit, and 305 to receive. 303, 305. So storage location 313, 315, plant 303, 305. 311 for storage location single step, and 301 for plant. Now let us see how it works. Before that, I have to create one more plant and storage location. So I'll just quickly do that. You can observe. I'll go to IMG enterprise structure, and I will also have to maintain the plant parameters. So materials. Okay, first let me create plant. I'll go to define copy delete check plant. Define plant. New entries. YIB2. YIPL. Plant 2. Z1. So I created plant. I'll also create storage location. Save this. This time. Hello. Hello. So I created storage location as well. Come back. So I'll move to assignment. I'll just assign them. Assign plant to company code. I'm maintaining same purchasing organization. So I'll have to maintain plant parameters, OMI8. Are you able to see OMI8 screen? Are you able to see?
No, sir. No, sir.
Now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. YMR, just make a note of it. I'm taking MRP controller YMR. YS2. I'll just go to the structure one, CC01, navigation. You can see I have this plant and storage location appearing. Hope you are able to see the screen with second plant and storage location. Are you?
Yes, sir.
So I have done this. You can make a note of this T code MB52. MB52, which gives the list of all the materials that you have created with stock, how much you have. It's warehouse stocks of material. So hope you are able to see that. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I am just looking at some material where I have some stock. I can utilize that. So I have this 201600, so many pieces of 700, 702, 702. If I just check the stock overview also, MMBE 700, 702, 702. It's loading. Still loading. Yeah, this is unrestricted and on order stock. Now you can see only YIBP, YBSL here. See this material, if at all I have to get some stock under a plant, this material has to be extended to the other plant also. How to do this? We have to use same material number. See, I'll just open one more session. I'll share that screen with you. I'll take M01. Here I'll take same material number. material type. Did I tell you about this account assignment category error? Did I tell you? While creating PO and processing GR, you get
Yes,
this
sir.
account assignment category error if quantity and value updating is not maintained.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So same will be the case with this also. If I have already showed that error, then I'll just quickly do it. OMS2. I go to OMS2. See, in this, what am I supposed to do? Can one of you tell? Why did I come to the screen?
Sir, to assign the
type.
value, assign
Yeah,
and maintain the material type.
Yes.
Material type.
What's your material type?
The raw material.
YROH.
YROH. I have to select this. Double click on quantity value updating. Click on position. So valuation area is new plant YIB2 and material type is YROH. This combination I have to maintain quantity value updating here, without which again system will throw that error. So this has to be maintained. I'll save. Coming back to MM01, I'll take same material. Raw material for YIPL, enter. So in this, I'll change organization level into new plant and storage location. I'm taking new plant storage location. I'll proceed. So it is directly going to purchasing group. MRP type, same PD. But MRP controller I created new. What was it? With IM2 or MR2?
Yes.
YMR. Sorry. YMR. Lot size I'll take EX. Enter. Schedule margin key with YS2. MRP3 is not required. These are not required. Other views, work scheduling, all this comes under production. Don't worry about this. This is for production. Somebody who has created that BABA has maintained all these. So directly we can come to valuation class. Moving average price. So in this step, what have I done? I have just taken same material number and I have just extended it to the other organization level, that is plant 2 and storage location 2. Else what happens if I try without having this material created for newly created plant, system will say this material is not maintained in the plant. You will get that error. Understanding? I'll show that error. I'll show that error so it becomes even more clear to you. See, this is prerequisite. We should have created these things earlier. We haven't started with STO yet. STO is single step. In fact, single step, 2 steps. Just now we have discussed. So I'll take plant to plant STO, single step approach. I'll just
Screen lock
demonstrate how to
sir.
do.
Even ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ sir.
Huh?
Screen lock ಆದಂಗದ sir.
Screen lock ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Okay sir.
Okay. So STO, I was just telling you, I'll go with this STO single step process. STO single step process. We'll do that transfer posting now. You can write down the steps for STO. Just now whatever I have done, I'll just give you that information. Create plant 2, create storage location 2, create STO material and stock in plant 1, STO material in plant 1, extend the material to plant 2 with same material number, maintain plant parameters for plant 2. So all those things just now I have done. Now moving on to transfer posting. Did you write all that?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can write down the T code MB1B.
MB1B na sir?
MB1B T code. You can write down this path. See, are able to see this transfer posting, SAP menu, logistics, materials management, inventory management, goods movement. Under goods movement, MB1B transfer posting. Written?
Yes sir.
So I'll take this MB1B. See, movement type I have discussed already. All the movement types, you can refer this. Observe 301 transfer posting plant to plant 1 step. Then you can see 303 transfer posting plant to plant remove from storage 303. Then 30, you can see this 305 transfer posting plant to plant place in storage. So this is 2-step process from plant to plant. Similarly, see 311 transfer posting storage location 1 step. Then 313 remove from storage. These movement types I have already told you. After removing from storage, Then place in storage, that is 315. So these movement types we have already discussed. I'll take 301 now. And if it is special stock, then we have to give special stock indicator as well. You know that by now, if it is consignment stock, we have to give it as K. We have these special stock indicators, subcontract stock, RTP stock, consignment stock. For that, we have different stock indicators. We are supposed to take that particular indicator and proceed. If it is general standard stock, no need of indicator. So movement type, plant. Movement type, plant. These two are important. Having written this, we can proceed. So what is the receiving plant now? Receiving plant is YIB2.
B2.
Yeah, this is the receiving plant, and receiving storage location is YBS2. YBS2. Material is same. So quantity I will take 500. Let me take 500. I'll just enter this. So I have given the it's asking storage location. The first storage location or issuing storage location. Okay. First you make a note of this. Parameters for YIB2 not maintained in inventory management. Make a note. This is again an error. Parameters for YIB2 not maintained in inventory management. To maintain for movement types, I'll double click on this. See, observe the screen. Hope you are able to see the screen. Plant parameters.
Yes, sir.
Click on plant parameters. If you are missing the screen, let me know. Once I click on plant parameters, it will take me to the configuration setting required. I have to click on plant parameters. In this, new entries, you can just check whether you have the plant. See, click on position, find YIB2, enter. You have only YIBP, you don't have YIB2. I have to click on new entries. So plant is YIB2. See, movement allowed. I have to check this box, movement allowed. Make a note. Movement allowed. Written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll save it. Come back. Again back. Back. I'll close this. Again, I'll enter. Deficit of storage. Okay. Let me reduce the quantity. I'll take 10. I think we have used this material many a times.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's the reason it is showing that error. So I'm just taking 261. Okay, let me take 50. I'll take 50. I'll enter. Post. Enter and post. Save this. Yeah, 10564. Make a note, document number 10564. It is posted. I'll come back. I'll take MMBE screen. So earlier, what was the stock? What was his stock earlier? Okay, we'll do one thing. Please don't mind. Connect back. I'll just end this session. We have around 1 minute left.